Hey, they were popular when I left.
But mostly I've just been working on this big presentation for tomorrow.
Well, I should be involved in that, so why don't you get me up to speed?
That's going to take weeks. Why don't you just let me take care of the presentation?
Of course you could take a couple days off work because this trip includes me!
Oh, no, wait a minute, I've got a presentation tomorrow. I can't miss that.
Oh, I've got tickets to the Van Gogh exhibit. I've been waiting like a year for this.
How do you fix the chair?
I'll accept that. Oh, hello, Mr. Zellner. We are all ready for our presentation this afternoon.
Good, because it's in 10 minutes.
What? I can't do that. I have the baby, and Ross is not going to pick her up for another hour.
Well, then Gavin can give the presentation, okay? We have to do it now. Ralph needs to leave early today. He's going helicopter shopping.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word presentation. It means an act of presenting. Also means the state of being presented. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce presentation, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the third syllable, corresponding to te. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how presentation is used in real life.
Oh, hello, Mr. Zellner. We are all ready for our presentation this afternoon. Good. Emma and I came in a little early to do research on the presentation.
So we talked about the whole presentation yesterday at lunch.
You get to do the presentation. You'll knock them down.
Oh, no, wait a minute, I've got a presentation tomorrow. I can't miss that.
Oh, I've got...
We're watching Emma yesterday during the presentation.
It's going to take weeks. Why don't you just let me take care of the presentation?
Oh, no.
You can do the presentation.
No, I can't. I have a baby.
But mostly I've just been working on this big presentation for tomorrow.
Well, then Gavin can give the presentation, okay? We have to do it now.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.